Why did he accept Islam? Did someone give him money? Did anyone force him? What is the reason behind him for accepting Islam? Let's know. Yusuf Estes, formerly known as Joseph Estes, has a captivating and deeply inspiring story of his journey to Islam. Born into a Christian family in the United States, he was raised with a strong religious background and even pursued a career as a Christian minister. However, his path took an unexpected turn as he embarked on a quest for truth that would lead him to Islam. In the late 1990s, while working in the music industry, Estes encountered a group of Muslims who engaged him in discussions about religion. Curiosity ignited within him, and he began delving into the study of various faiths, including Islam. With an open mind and a sincere desire for knowledge, he embarked on a personal journey of discovery. Estes spent countless hours researching and engaging in comparative religious studies. As he explored the teachings and practices of Islam, he found himself captivated by the beauty, logic, and depth of the faith. The more he delved into the Qur'an, the more he discovered answers to the fundamental questions that had troubled him. One particular aspect of Islam that resonated deeply with Estes was its monotheistic nature. The concept of the oneness of God, known as Tawheed in Islam, struck a chord within him. It provided a clear and consistent understanding of the nature of God, unifying all aspects of creation. Furthermore, the emphasis on the Qur'an as the literal word of God appealed to Estes' logical and analytical mind. The preservation of the Qur'an throughout history, its scientific accuracy, and its timeless wisdom left a profound impact on him. He found solace and guidance within its pages, and it became a source of spiritual nourishment for his soul. As Estes continued to immerse himself in Islamic teachings, he experienced a transformative spiritual awakening. The prayers, the rituals, and the ethical teachings of Islam resonated with his heart, providing him with a profound sense of peace and purpose. After much contemplation and soul-searching, Yusuf Estes made the life-changing decision to embrace Islam. With utmost sincerity, he took the Shahada, the Islamic declaration of faith, affirming that there is no deity worthy of worship except Allah, and that Muhammad is the final messenger of God. Estes' conversion to Islam marked the beginning of a new chapter in his life. Driven by his newfound faith, he dedicated himself to learning and understanding Islam more deeply. He sought knowledge from scholars, attended Islamic conferences, and engaged in discussions with fellow Muslims to strengthen his understanding of the religion. Today, Yusuf Estes continues to inspire and educate people around the world about the principles and values of Islam. Through his lectures, books, and media presence, he promotes understanding, tolerance, and the importance of building bridges between different faith communities. Yusuf Estes' conversion to Islam is a testament to the transformative power of faith and the human capacity for seeking truth. His journey serves as an inspiration to those who are on a similar quest for spiritual enlightenment and underscores the importance of an open heart and an open mind when exploring matters of faith. Yusuf Estes was honored with the Ambassador for Peace Award by the Universal Peace Federation in recognition of his efforts to promote peace and understanding through interfaith dialogue. Estes is the founder and president of Guide US TV, a free-to-air internet and satellite TV channel which broadcasts programs about Islam. In 2010, Estes was listed as one of the top 500 most influential Muslims.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Yusuf Estes with really good news. But first, many people are hearing things about Islam, but they are not getting the right message. So the best time to get the right message out is right now. And we have the best way to do exactly that with Allah's support and your help. We've got our projects, our websites, satellite TV channels, and now we can reach every home on the planet, inshallah. Let's make that difference together.